So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to host multiple WordPress sites in Hostinger. So the first thing you want to do is go to your HPanel on hostinger.com. Once you're logged in, you can do a couple of things. So the first thing you can do is go to your websites, and on here you're going to be seeing this if you don't have a subscription. So on here just use business web hosting. So hosting more than one site, whether or not they're WordPress or something else, you can see 50 websites. So you don't use this one. So it says single web hosting. Since you're going to be allowed just one website or one WordPress site that you want to use, choose either the most popular option here, the business web hosting, or premium web hosting. So once you select your subscription, you need to check how many websites you can have. So 25, 50 if you don't intend to have some ludicrous number of websites each on this account. I suggest you use just premium web hosting, since it's going to be quite manageable to have a couple of different WordPress sites with 25 websites. But if you're doing something that's a bit more large scale, you can easily go to business web hosting, and you can see you can save 73% right now. So from here, you can go back to your hostinger.com and you can set up more websites, and you can see this. It will be the option to click on plus and add a different website on here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.